I think I'm going to go in with the colour Rustic, which is this one right here. Like that. And then I'm going to go in with the colour Cypress Amber, which is like a purpley colour. I'm actually going to put that in like my crease line, just to darken things up a bit. Make sure that, cool. Then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a little bit of the Tarte concealer, just to put on my finger, and I'm going to apply that on my lids. Because we're going for just a bit of like a cut crease today. Just want to do it different. Like that. Okay. So on top of there, I'm going to grab the fluffy brush again, and I'm going to grab this gorgeous sultry colour. I'm going to apply that on the lids. And then over that I'm going to use some of the rose pink. Just going to go in with that sultry on top of the lids like that. And then rose pink just towards the centre. A bit more. Okay, so then lashes should be dry by now. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these. Now, I'm not the most brilliant at lashes, but we can try. So they're now on. So that's it for the eyes. Now just underneath the lash line, I'm just going to go ahead with that first colour that I used and just go under. Light palette, and this is just the powder contour. So for that I'm just going to take a big, this one, I'm just going to go and just contour the face a bit. Just like that. Then for bronzer, I'm going to try the Collection Bronze Glow, which I picked up today. So I'm just going to bronze my face because in the summer it's so much better to have a bronze face. Just gives you that summer glow. For highlighter, I'm going to use the kind of my all-time favourite. Like, I'm sure you guys know what it is. More. So it's going to be the Bronze and Shimmer palette, this one here. So I'm just going to take a bit of that, just to bronze the face up first, and then the highlight one here. I'm just going to look at that glow. Beautiful. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit on my nose. Now, just on the waterline, the last thing I'm going to do is take this white pencil here, and I'm just going to outline underneath. Just to open them eyes up a bit. Just like that. Then, hello. My little baby's walked in. And then to finish it off, I'm going to be using the Flawless Mist and Fix Barry M matte finish. And there we go. So that's the foundation I use. I would seriously recommend this foundation. I think it's great if you really want to go for that everyday look, but you can even build it up if you wanted to use it for a night out. So, I mean, I haven't worn it for that long. I've never tried it before, so we shall see. The lashes as well, the Demi Wispy lashes, I think are so beautiful. I think they're one of my favourites because I have tried quite a few lashes, and I do feel like some of them are just too fake, and you can see the fakeness. So I think these lashes are really perfect for an everyday look and a go to dinner look. So yeah, so definitely recommend this foundation. And I really hope you guys enjoyed my little get ready with me first impressions on a few products. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow the social medias, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!